y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is More Than a Pretty Face, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Allure Beauty Box. I just got it in the mail yesterday, so we're going to take a look at it together. I also have a couple other items to show y'all. I did end up getting both May and June's issue in the same day. I don't know, maybe the quarantine had something to do with stuff coming out a little bit later than normal. But I also got something else from them. I don't know what it is. We're going to look at it together. Kind of excited to see what's in there. It feels like it might be a bag. I'm not sure. But let me start off by saying I am not sponsored by Allure. I do not receive anything from them for reviewing their products. They do send it to me, but I'm not obligated to review it or do anything with it other than they send it to me. I'm on their PR list. So let's get into this. So right off, whenever you open the box, you're going to receive a mini mag that's going to outline each of the products, plus it's going to have the editor's reviews and opinions on each of the products. It's also going to show you each of the individual items in the box. And this is a $15 monthly subscription. It is a beauty box that focuses primarily on skincare. Sometimes you do get makeup in it, but you mostly get skincare, which is great because you always get 2 of the 5 to 7 items at full size. And let's be honest, skincare is probably the most expensive item that's going to be in your makeup bag. So that is $15 for full-size items. That is great. And the full-size items tend to average anywhere from $30 up to, I have received full-size items that are priced at $120. So it is a fantastic value. So like I said, the magazine is going to show each of the items that you receive. And there's typically going to be 1 or 2 items that are either or. Some boxes have this, some boxes have that. So you will have all of those items in the box to show you what could have been in your box. And they're also going to include a discount code if you choose to purchase the full size of the sample they send you. And I will link my affiliate link in the bottom description of this video if you want to check it out and try it out yourself. So let's get into this. So the first item, which I am so excited for, and it is a full-size item. I saw it in the preview and your girl is excited. So it is by SkinINC. It is My Daily Dose of Glow. And if you go to their website, it's really cool. They have a completely customizable product line. So you kind of take a little short survey and you put in what your skincare needs are, and they curate a serum or cleanser or whatever for you personally. It is great. And this does retail at $65, and this is a full size. It is, let's see, where's the size on it? What does it say? I think it's a full ounce. It doesn't even say it on the thing. It probably says on the box. Duh. Nope, it is 0.67 fluid ounces, but it is a good size product that you're getting. And it says, if Dr. Seuss had a skincare line, all the products would resemble the SkinINC My Daily Dose of Glow. It's dotted with colorful encapsulated molecules of moisturizing hyaluronic acid, illuminating vitamin A, and clarifying chlorella. Chlorella? Don't know what that is. Apply a pea-sized amount directly to your forehead, add 2 or more drops on each cheek, massage it in, and watch the pink and blue encapsulations burst and blend away. I'm excited. So anyway, so this is what you're going to get. And like I said, this is in every box and it is a full-size item. So this right here pays for like 5 of these boxes. Amazing. And it's really cute too. So like you can sit it out on your counter, like back in my thing. So it's like a pretty bottle. That's one of the things I look for in skincare and in makeup is I look for the packaging. If it's cute, I want to set it out. So this is something you can set out. Okay, next we have AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. And this is another full size. It retails for $28.99 and you can pick it up at Target.com. Let's see if I can get it open. It's sealed from both sides. Okay, let's open from the bottom. And it says, you know the feeling when you've finally been let in on a secret. It's a mix of pride at graduating to the inside and a bit of WTF, why didn't you tell me sooner? So this says it is an eye cream for face. So it's kind of like an all-in-one. It's an eye cream, but you can use it all over your face. So that's great too if you're looking for products that simplify your routine. and you don't want to like pack on product on a product. Plus it's cheaper if you can find something that's like all in one. So this is going to be that. For $28.99, you're going to get face cream and eye cream. It says it's travel essential. Pack this and skip the moisturizer altogether. In Korea, there's a new formula for the AHC eye cream for face every year. So this is based off of the Korean skincare, which if any of y'all are familiar with that, that is like the top skincare regimen right now. The Korean skincare, they know what they're doing with skincare. So got this. Next is the options. You could have either gotten the VDL Luma Layer Primer right here, or you could have gotten the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which is what I got. I have this already, so it's great to have another one because I use it every day. I love it. It's fantastic. I like anything by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I can speak on this from experience. It's great. It keeps your brows in place. It is my go-to. Like I said, I use it every day. I use it on clients. I use it. It's fantastic. So retails at $22 and you can buy it on their website. Then we have Curology, the moisturizer. I'm kind of interested in this. It says, if moisturizing is so simple, why are there 7 million different options and why do they use so many words? What am I replenishing exactly? And do not need to activate my youth, but thank you for thinking of me. So it says, the texture hovers somewhere in the space between whipped cream and Jell-O. Okay. It's pillowy, spreadable, and buildable. This moisturizer has no extra bells or whistles or vague healing benefits. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Genius can be simple. So, okay, this is supposed to, basically, from what I've seen on other reviews, supposed to like sit at your creases, and it's supposed to kind of fill them in. So when, and like I said, it's buildable. So when you go to apply your makeup and your powder and your concealer and everything, it's not gonna, your product is not going to sit in those creases. It's gonna actually sit on top of this. So it's gonna give you like a perfectly smooth canvas. So your girl is excited for that because I'm gonna be 40 this year and I got some creases going on. So this is a trial size or sample size, but it is a deluxe sample. It's pretty big. You're gonna get, let's see, you're gonna get half an ounce in this. So you're gonna get quite a few uses out of it. So, and it retails for $19.95. And it says you can also receive a set that includes cleanser, moisturizer, and a custom treatment cream. You can buy it at Curology. That's another website that if you go to it, they will curate a product specifically for your skincare needs. Same as the SkinINC. You can go fill out a little survey and they will produce something that is specific to your skincare needs. So that is like, that's really great too, because there's a lot of products out there that that you may not need all the benefits of it, which is kind of what this is talking about. You don't necessarily need, if you're 19, you may not need an eye cream, you may not need a brightener, you may not need a dark spot remover. So you can go in there, tell them what you need, and they're gonna give you specifically what you need. So next we have the Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. The name might have you thinking you'll squeeze the reflective tube and get a rainbow of glittery gunk. What you'll actually get, a brilliant exfoliating cleanser. It goes on as a cream, thickening as you rub it in. Then with water, turns into a foam that cleans without leaving skin squeaky. And unicorn root is also known as Aletris farinosa root extract. So this is a cleanser, and again, this is a deluxe sample size. You're gonna get, 2 or 3 uses out of it. Full size retails for $12.99. You can buy it at allure.com. So excited to try this because, well, it says unicorn, so hello, yeah. And then last we have the Win Glamour Base Sheet Mask. So this I will probably end up giving to my son. He's a skin mask freak. My little boy loves to do skin masks. I'm not mad at him. Hey, he's 9. He likes to do skincare. More power to him. He's a YouTuber also, so he's got to keep that skin looking good. So, like I said, I'm just not a fan of sheet masks. I like masks. I like peel-off masks or, washable masks. I don't like the sheet masks, but I will ask him what he thinks of it and I will let y'all know. Retails at $7, so this is a pretty good skin mask for, $7. You can get it at winbeautyus.com. So, there's this. So that's it for what's in the box. Like I said, this was a really good box. Mainly, this right here, I'm shook that, they put this in there. So way excited. So yeah, so that's it for the box for this month. Like I said, this was May's Allure Beauty Box. And then let's find out what this is, because I am kind of excited. Like I said, I went to the mailbox and saw a package from Allure, so I was like, okay, let's see what it is. I can get it open. Let's see what we have. Some cardboard, and we have, what is it? Oh, it's just a canvas bag. It's pretty good size. It's got the bucket style bottom. So yeah, thank you, Allure. I will definitely use this. It's great for, you could use it as a beach bag, pool bag. It will hold a pretty good amount of stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. Thanks, Allure. Keep it coming. And then last is, like I said, I got the 2 issues of Allure for May and June. I've been seeing a lot about what was in the May issue. The May issue does focus again on the Korean beauty line and the Korean beauty regimen. I don't know what June's is going to be about. It does say the people that you have spoken, 61 of your favorite lotions, liners, lipsticks, etc. So be excited to check this one out. It's going to have, like I said, it's going to have some suggestions and the top products recommended. So with that, I'm going to close this out. Thank you for checking it out. Like I said, if you are interested in checking out the beauty box, I will leave my link in the bottom in the description box, and you can go check it out. And yeah, so if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. This is a fairly new channel, so I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I tend to post about 3 to 4 times a week, anything from beauty hauls to subscription reviews, unboxings, sometimes just a quarantine chit chat with tutorials. Also, I'm going to try and do at least 1 tutorial a week. So feel free to leave something in the comments if there's something that you would like to specifically see, or if you have any questions. You can also check out my website. It's jennywaltonartistry.com. No, jennywalton-artistry.com. Don't even know my own website. I will leave that in the description as well. You can check me out on Instagram also, jwaltmua, and find me on Facebook as well, Jenny Walton. So hope to see you back, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.
Make sure you hit the bell so that you stay up to date on all of my latest uploads and videos. Also, follow me on Instagram at jwaltmua, or check out my website, jennywalton-artistry.com.